Hello guys, welcome to first video in my YouTube channel. I'm Hussein and I have over 14 years of experience as a software engineer. Also, I have master degree in AI and I'm here to help you from scratch to be a senior developer. In my first video, I decided to talk about the 6 important tips for people who wants to start programming. So let's go and see what are our tips. As our first tip is to choose our technology or language. Look at the languages and technologies. What are you interested in? For example, are you interested in front-end development, back-end development, AI, artificial intelligence, blockchain? What are you interested in? The main thing here is that you should start learning something that you are interested in. After that, you should, after you, for example, decided to work on the front end, you should go through and look into job markets. Go through freelancer jobs, freelancer websites, some applications like LinkedIn, and see job opportunities that we have. You can check, for example, Upwork, freelancers, or LinkedIn to check the job opportunities, or maybe read any survey. After that, after you decide what kind of technology you want to learn and you search about the market, you should also search about the community that the programming language that you choose have. For example, if you are using React.js as a front-end development language and framework and you want to use that, you should go through the community, search about that, see how many people, not how many, see the people that working on that, see the documentation of that language and framework, research about the resources and learning materials that we have. All of these items are very, very important for start a language or technology. Let's assume that you choose a language that don't have any good resource to learn. What should you do after that? It will take a lot of time from you to learn, and maybe you won't find a good job. So after you choose your language and technology, you should take care and go through your goal. You should define a goal for yourself. For example, I want to work as a front-end developer and earn $1,000 per month. It's an example. Okay, you should be a front-end developer. So break down your goal and create a plan and learning plan for your goal. For example, in first week, I should learn about the basics. Second week, I should go through an example and write a real application, real website. It's a sample, it's not real. I just meaning to break down the goal and create a learning plan. It's really important to have a learning plan. You can define a sprint for yourself. And by end of each sprint, it can be 1 week, 2 weeks. By end of each sprint, you should see how many of the tasks that you defined are done. If you planned to learn the basics in 2 weeks, so learn that in 2 weeks. Don't let it to be more than 2 weeks. It's really important to have a learning plan. And after that, you can think about your goal. After this, you should practice about that language. Learn and practice. Learn and practice. You should start with basics. Define, as I said, define a big project, define a small project for yourself. And be patient in all the steps that we have. Programming is not something that you decide to learn and learn after 2 weeks. You should spend time on that. You should learn from many courses. You should learn from documents. You should learn papers. You should learn documents. Many things you can do. So you should be patient. After choose your language, define a goal for yourself, and practice a lot, you should know that you should be up to date. How? With read document, with follow up the courses, and again be patient here, because for example you may learn React, and React may update every 6 months. So you should learn new things. It's very important, very, very important. Programming is not just something that you learn and start working. No. You should make yourself and be up to date. After this, you should have problem solving skill. If you're asking how you can achieve this skill, is there any course that you can buy or, for example, watch to achieve this skill? I should say no. So, how can I achieve that? Just with practice. You should write a code. At first you should define a project, a specific project for yourself. After that, you should write the code, start writing the code. And definitely you will face a lot of issue, a lot of bug, especially if it is your first project. You should search about that. You should search about that problem that you are facing. Search about the errors. Even search about the concepts that you didn't learn and you are facing in the project that you defined. It's very, very important. So, what is important here is to define a project for yourself. As I said in tips number 3 here in practice. Define a project is really important. And one note here, don't define a project from YouTube, from any other social medias or any other website. Define a project for yourself that you didn't do before. Not a project that you, for example, watch a course for, and after that you will try to write that yourself. No. It should be a project that you didn't do. It will really help you. As our last tip here is to exercise a lot. What am I mean by exercise here? When you are sitting and learning programming, you should get up every 30 minutes to stretch your body and exercise. It's very important. Don't laugh on this or anything else. It's very, very important. Why? Because you are sitting on your chair, for example, 6 hours a day. And you should get up every 30 minutes to stretch, to won't face any special issue in the future, in the long term, I mean. So keep these 6 tips in your mind and go through all of them. In the future video, I will provide roadmaps to be, for example, front-end developer, back-end developer. What is front-end development at all? I will provide roadmaps for that. And will, as I said, I'm here to help you to be a senior developer.